Hey, have you heard about Optizord AI in tech? No, I haven't. What is it? I've heard about it. It's an AI agency from Kerala. Exactly, Mira. They provide some really cool AI-powered services. That sounds interesting. So, they can generate videos with AI spokespersons. Yes, and they also create AI video ads and social media poster designs. You just give them a script, and they'll create a professional-looking video with an AI-powered presenter. That's awesome. And you mentioned AI video ads too. Yep. High quality, engaging video ads for social media or online promotions. Plus, they design eye-catching social media posters using AI. Wow, that could save so much time and effort. Do they offer any other AI services? Yeah, customized AI solutions based on business needs. Whether it's content generation, automation, or AI power branding, they've got it covered. Sounds like a game changer. Where can I check them out? If you need AI-powered content, Optizord AI and Tech is the way to go. You can visit their website or follow them on social media to see their work. Oh, I definitely look them up. Thanks for the recommendation.